Hello, hello, hello. Very good evening to all of you. ଆଜି ଆମେ RRB ର previous year question discussion କରିବା. Question number 1. Which one of the following is the default word processor for Microsoft Windows? MS Word, MS Paint, WordPad, Notepad. Answer is your WordPad. WordPad is the default Microsoft word processor. First web browser was created by Tim Berners-Lee, James Gosling, Russell Hall, Charles Babbage, Alan Turing. Tim Berners-Lee. Tim Berners-Lee. Web browser first create करथिले Tim Berners-Lee. Tim Berners-Lee also invented HTML and HTTP protocol. Which of the following is an input device? Screen monitor, speakers, LCD, scanner, all of the above. All are your output device, only scanner is your input device. Answer is scanner. The term that defines the intention of a person extract money from the another person, preferably by owner is ransomware, malware, spyware, hardware, none of the above. That is ransomware. Hackers use this technique to charge money for unlocking the file and folders and all relevant data of the owner to give back. When you connect to the computer, connect to the server, protocol driven messaging, internet, intranet, client, none of the above. ତାକୁ କ'ଣ କୁହାଯାଏ ଯେତେବେଳେ କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର ସର୍ଭର ସାଙ୍ଗରେ କନେକ୍ଟ ହୁଏ that is known as intranet. What is intranet? An intranet is a private network contained within an enterprise that is used to securely share company information and company resources among the employees. What is the output when folder open a window computer and Control plus A key are pressed simultaneously? All files and subfolder in the current folder are selected. The window switches between the apps open. The files other than those present inside the concerned folder are selected. Only the first five files are selected, none of the above. ମନେ ରଖିଥାନ୍ତୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆପଣ ୱିଣ୍ଡୋଜ ରେ ଗୋଟେ ଫୋଲ୍ଡର କୁ ଓପନ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଆପଣ ପ୍ରେସ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି କଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଲ ପ୍ଲସ୍ ଏ ତ ଫୋଲ୍ଡର ଭିତରେ ଥିବା ସବୁ ଫୋଲ୍ଡର ସହିତ ଯେତେ ଫାଇଲ ଥିବେ ସବୁ ସିଲେକ୍ଟ ହେବେ ଫୋଲ୍ଡର ଭିତରେ ଯୋଉ ଫାଇଲ ଥାନ୍ତି ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ କୁହା ହୁଏ ସବ୍ ଫୋଲ୍ଡର ଦ ଆନ୍ସର ଇଜ ଏ. The keyboard shortcut CTRL plus Z for which of the following function? Redo, undo, cut, paste. Control Z hela, that is undo. Control Y is redo. Control X hela cut. Control V hela paste. The shortcut Windows logo up arrow key is used to carry out which of the following functions? Close the active window, switch between the windows open, minimize the active window, copy the address of the active window, none of the above. ଯେତେବେଳେ ୱିଣ୍ଡୋଜ କି ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଅପ୍ ଆରୋ ଆପଣ କ୍ଲିକ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଯୋଉ ୱିଣ୍ଡୋରେ ଆପଣ କାମ କରୁଥିବେ ତାକୁ କୁହା ହୁଏ ଆକ୍ଟିଭ ୱିଣ୍ଡୋ. ତ ଆପଣ ଯେତେବେଳେ ପ୍ରେସ୍ କରିବେ ୱିଣ୍ଡୋ କି ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଅପ୍ ଆରୋ जो विंडोज रे काम करुथिबे से मिनिमाइज हेइबो, दैट इज मिनिमाइज द एक्टिव विंडो। MS Excel, the shortcut key combination to apply, remove, strike to is। मनेकर आपण गोटे एक्सेल फाइल नहीं ताकू डबल क्लिक कले से ओपन हेबो। तापरे नंबर ऑफ रोज नंबर ऑफ कॉलम थिबो। नंबर ऑफ रोज एंड नंबर ऑफ कॉलम को हुए सेल। सेल भितरे मनेकर आपण लिखिचंती जो सेल को आपण क्लिक करिवे ता साइड रे एमती ब्लैक कलर आसीबो ताकू कहवे एक्टिव सेल। एक्टिव सेल, एक्टिव सेल भितरे आपण सपोज लिखिचंती क्वेस्ट। आपण प्रेस कले एमएस एक्सेल रे कोन प्रेस कले कंट्रोल 5 जदि प्रेस करूचंती ता ऊपरे गोटे गारो आस, दैट इज स्ट्राइक थ्रू। एंड अगेन ए स्ट्राइक थ्रू को उठेबा पई आपण कंट्रोल 5 प्रेस करिवे, अगेन सेटा रिमूव हे छि। द आंसर इज कंट्रोल 5। The features helps to align all the text to fit within the defined margins in a word processor. Fonts, word wrap, auto text, font size, none of the above. आपण जो भी डिजाइन करिवे अकॉर्डिंगली word wrap रे जाई करि परिवे। आंसर इज word wrap। The correct full form of VGA is volatile geographic access, video graphics array, video graphics adapter, video graphic array, none of the above। Second one is right, video graphics array। Among the following, which of them is a permanent storage device? Cache, optical disk, SSD, hard disk, both C and D। SSD ର full form solid state drive। solid state drive, solid trace drive। एटा कौन पे यूज करा जाए? It is a storage device to store huge amount of data। Same function hard disk ର। The answer is permanently आमे हमर डेटा को कोथरे permanently store करू? हार्ड डिस्क से and SSD। Answer is both C and D। Answer is both C and D। A software interrupt is also called trap, exception handling, query, interrupt handler, both A and B। जेतेबेले आम सॉफ्टवेयर रे किछि इंटरप्ट हुए ताकू टर्म दिया जाए कि नेम इज ट्रैप और एक्सेप्शन हैंडलिंग, बोथ द नेम। दैट्स व्हाई आंसर इज बोथ A and B। आंसर इज बोथ A and B। The theme section of MS PowerPoint is found under। थीम रो माने कोन ना कलर, फॉन्ट एंड इफेक्ट दैट यू लाइक टू चेंज। कलर, फॉन्ट, इफेक्ट दैट यू लाइक टू चेंज, दैट इज नोन एज थीम। थीम कहा को क्लिक कले आपण पाइबे? होम टैब, डिजाइन टैब, इंसर्ट टैब, एनिमेशन टैब, नन ऑफ द अबव। कहा को क्लिक कले आपण पाइबे? दैट इज योर डिजाइन टैब। When an operating system enables a person to interact with a computer through the use of symbols, icons, visual metaphors, and pointing device, it is classified as command line interface, graphical user interface, touch user interface, voice user interface, none of the above। इंटरफेस होची हमर दी प्रकार। गोटे हला ग्राफिकल यूजर इंटरफेस Another one is command line interface. Graphical user interface ର କାମ କଣ? ଆମେ କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର ସାଙ୍ଗରେ interaction କରିବା through the graphs. Graphs मतलब it may be icon, এটা icon ହେଇପାରେ, symbols ହେଇପାରେ, folder ହେଇପାରେ. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର ସାଙ୍ଗରେ interaction କରୁଛେ through the icon, through the folder, through the symbol, that is known as graphical user interface. And computer ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ interaction କରୁଛେ କିଛି command ଦେଇ, example ms-dos, ଆମେ ଦଉଛେ cls for clear the screen, rename file ren. ତ ଆମେ command ଦେଇ computer ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଯେତେବେଳେ interaction କରୁଛେ ତାକୁ କହିବା command line interface. When an operating system enables a person to interact with the computer to the symbol icon, that is your graphical user interface. MAC address is a 48-bit physical address, 48-bit logical address, 32-bit device address, 32-bit physical address, none of the above. That is 48-bit physical address. MAC, media access control address. Media access control address. The device that connects a decimal number to binary is called encoder, decoder, accumulator, assembler, none of the above. Encoder kono? Encoder converts information from one format or code to another. An encoder can be used to encode the decimal number to binary number. Answer is your encoder. The features that allows multiple users in a MS Excel to bring together different copies of workbooks that other users have worked on independently is called copying, appending, merging, compiling, pasting. याको कौन कहा जाए? That is known as merging. The server acting as a mediator between a workstation and internet for the sole purpose of maintaining security is bridge, hub, repeater, switch. None of the above. Server acting as a mediator between workstation and internet. ତାକୁ ଆମେ କଣ କହିବା? Answer is your proxy server. Answer is your proxy server. Here is not given. Answer is none of the above. What is proxy server? It is a server that acts as an intermediary device between a workstation user and internet so that the enterprise concerned with it can receive maximum security. The answer is your proxy server. Okay, thank you all of you. आपण माने सब RRB क्वेश्चन करि नेथिबे. नेक्स्ट आपण याको सब्सक्राइब करंतु. हम एठी कोचिंग दिया होची बैंकिंग एसएससी रेलवे एंड याको लाइक करंतु. नेक्स्ट RRB क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन में फिर भेटिबा. थैंक यू. हैव ए गुड डे.